Here I have Motorola Moto G31, and today I'm going to show you how to enable night mode on this device. So firstly you have to just go to the upper bar, and here you have to find the button night light. Tap on it once and you can switch this mode. By holding your finger on it you can access some of its settings. For example, you can change the color intensity, and you can also add a schedule for this mode. You can set it on a custom time, or you can just set it from sunset to sunrise, and that's how it is. So yeah. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.